Is your smartphone screen cracked or damaged? Don't worry, iFixScreens Astoria Blvd is here to help. At iFixScreens Astoria Blvd, we specialize in smartphone repair in Astoria, New York, with a focus on delivering quick and reliable services to get your device up and running in no time. We understand the frustration and inconvenience that comes with a damaged device, and that's why we offer quick and reliable repair services. Our expert technicians have the knowledge and experience to repair all types of smartphones, including iPhones, Samsung, LG, and more. We also pride ourselves on using only the highest quality parts for all of our repairs. That means you can trust that your device is in good hands and will be restored to its full potential. We also offer a wide range of repair services, including screen replacement, battery replacement, charging port repair, and more. So if you're looking for cracked screen repair in Astoria, New York, come visit iFixScreens Astoria Blvd. Call us today at 718-606-6217 if you have any inquiries or if you want to schedule a repair. You can also visit our website at www.ifixscreens.com/locations/Astoria-NY to learn more about our services. Get your smartphone fixed at iFixScreens Astoria Blvd today.